Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to dress up the Pixel 6a. Trying to figure out how I want to do this. I think I'm going to take the black bar from here and do this. Let's just pop into this. So we're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up here. I'm going to give the Pixel 6a a nice new look. I know I want to go ahead and do the black on the bar there. I think that's just should be done like that. It's just a fact that I want to keep that bar, to keep that signature look on the device. So let's go ahead and do the honeycomb. Let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, looking like it's pretty good. Let's slide it over just a little bit. It's a little off. And I can tell based on how this is right here. I like that the Pixel 6a has the LED light by itself, because I can use it as a guide to put this on. Oh yeah, boom. If you remember in my other videos on the other Pixel devices, I had the bar like this, and sometimes I just left it like that. So now we're going to go ahead and dress out the top of this bad boy more than likely. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and get the bottom portion as well. Really nice. Putting skins on this device is super easy, I might add. As soon as I say that, have some problems. No, we're going to be good. We're going to just line this up right here. Because I actually like to use the Pixel 6a without a case, if possible. Look at that, folks. Right on time. Just lined up perfectly. And I'll heat this up after the video, but you want to definitely put a blow dryer or a heating gun on it to seal down the corners if you plan on putting it back in your case. But you can just push those bubbles out to the side, and the air will just release out, depending on where the bubbles are. Just push them to the corners. And if they're close to the G, just push them towards the G. You know, just got to get it out. And when you heat it up, it'll be a lot easier. So here's some next to the G. I just push them next to the G and they disappear. Ooh, that's really nice. That's really nice. A whole new device. Check that out. That is incredible. I don't think I'm going to put on the top portion. I think I'm going to leave it like that. I really like that. I mean, the top portion would be cool and everything, I think, but let's just check it out. Let's just check it out. We might as well. We're dressing it up. Let's see how we like it. I think it looks better with more of the two-tone look, though, with the other form of gray. Let's see. If you clean your device really good, these will stick really well. Get this kind of centered here. Yeah, see, when you do the corners and the top right there, definitely got heated up. I think I like it better without it. All right, so here it is, folks. The new Pixel 6a. And as you can see, they sent over several. This one right here, I definitely would do all together. Just the top and the bottom, I would say, for that one. But these are really nice. But there they are, folks. Look at the Pixel 6a now. Oof. Now I have tons of grip. And this is just so nice. I like to do this real time so you can get a gist of what it's going to be like. And after this video, like I said, I'm going to heat these up and it's going to be on and popping, and then the skin is on and it will stay on there. Some people have asked about removing the skin. When you remove the skin, there's no residue or anything like that. And I like that about the Sopiguard skins. There's no residue or anything behind it. So your device is just like new when you take it off. So there it is, folks. The brand new Pixel 6a is now Sopiguard protected. Let's go. Links down below. Or just go to sopiguard.com. There it is.